The second reason is I am broken-hearted.
Hindi tayo pwede Pinagtagpo pero di tinadhana.
Okay. So, episode 1 of my backpacking series. So, episode 1, let's talk about why I decided to travel and planning my backpacking trip. To answer the question, why I decided to travel and how I plan my backpacking because it's a 15 days trip. So, why I decided to travel? I just really wanted something big for my life. Really, totally big. Na kanabitang makaingon ko are very challenging for me. Kay, basta lang, siguro that time is na ako sa midlife crisis because I'm 24, going 25 that time, 2006, 2016, 24, but nag-travel ko is May 2017. So, going 25 years old na ko. So, gusto lang yun ko something big for my life na big na as in very challenging na kanang makaingon ko na life is really worth living. Something inana. Siguro, isa po to kay na kanang very risk taker kay ko ato na time. And, everything goes so well sa akong life. I have a career. I am a financial planner that time. Then, isa pa, na bored ko. Like, oh my God. I want something. Routine na akong gipang buhat. So, and then, dugay na sa jud ko gusto jud ko na mo travel. Gusto jud ko na madto sa laing lugar to explore because I'm a certified lakwachera by nature. That's why the title of the page na ako ang gihimo 2016 or 2017 it's certified lakwachera because I'm really a certified lakwachera. And then katong college days pud na ako kay travel sad me around Mindanao because I'm a peace mover that time. So na-miss to na ako na moments, and sa ako sang work is I'm always traveling man pud but around Mindanao lang, nearby towns lang, and I want something na mo na yung maka-explain. I want something big for my life. That's all. That's why I decided to travel. That's the first reason. The second reason is I am broken-hearted.
Hindi tayo pwede Pinagtagpo pero di tinadhana.
That's true. Aside sa nagka-midlife crisis ko is napako sa process of healing that time, and isa sa nabasa na ako is isa ka sa advice to heal your broken heart yeah, is to travel. So that's why it's one of the reason why I also push that travel because I want na kanabitang ma-fill in ang kanabitang munang isa po na boring ko. So, gusto lang ko og kanang mabisi ang akong life, na something big na may tabo sa akong life, something na kanang makaingon jud ko na kanang it will change and it totally changed me as a person. And murag like pagbalik kay na ako after the 15 days is murag dili na ako, murag it's not me anymore. Murag I'm still the same person. No, I'm still the same person, but personally, emotionally, not physically. Personally, emotionally, and socially, I'm not. I'm so fired up. Like, I'm so motivated after that trip. So, di ba, demotivated, good kay ko before the trip. Then, after the trip, is grabe kay ko motivated. As in, super duper duper. And, yeah. Second question is how I plan my backpacking. So, it took me a year to plan everything, like, as in, a year. Like, each country na akong giadtuan kay that's 5 countries: Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. So it's supposed to be 6 countries including Laos, but wala na ako siya gi-appeal because basin kulang manggod. So mao to, I read a lot of contents and I watch a lot of YouTube videos na katong backpacking jud, how they board the sleeper bus, how they board the sleeper train, how they board the something ina na asin tanan bisag katubitaw na time is bisag imo ko pangutanon about Thailand, I can answer that one. I can memorize every temple na gusto. I can memorize every spots, not every but katong mga major spots sa Singapore. That's how I plan my travel, and it becomes a training ground later on because that time is wala magud wala jud na sa akong hunahuna na maghimo og travel agency. My main goal that time is I want to try travel because I want to travel more. Like, gusto na ko na i-try. Basin kaya, kay kung kaya na ko ni kaya nun ako ang next travel. Gusto gyud ko mag backpacking or I'm preparing for something big sa good kay na kanang gusto gyud ko mag-travel for long time, and then isa to siya, but it leads me to something bigger, something na kanabitong na naanagid siya sense, which is the having my own travel agency. So after manggod at is I have lots of questions manggod. Dagan kay ko friends na nagapangutan na how I did that travel. And then prior to that one guys gakatawan ako some of my friends. I have 2 friends na very supportive sa ako at that time. And ang isa is wala na siya karon, which is si Ivan Bonghawan. And the other is si NJ Rose. Sila gyud ang mga supportive friends na ako na ilan lang yung kong ginapaminaw. And then I also have other friends na grabe ka supportive sa akong backpacking, si Melogene. So sila ang tulo ka tao na very supportive sa ako, and the rest is katawan lang ko. Like, kaya na nimo, sure ka na madto ka, like sure ka basi makidnap ka and whatsoever ka na bitawng daghan kay negativity, but I push the travel because I believe na kaya na ako, and it went so well. And isa pa ban how I plan, isa pa is sa sige na akong research, I join a lot of Facebook groups Facebook na ganyan, Facebook groups na that talks about travel. So daghan kay references nimo sa Facebook guys, and I came across with this group, DIY Travel Philippines, and I read dito na din ako nakita. That was November when I saw the post ni Apple Dolores. So na nag-travel siya for, I don't know kung pila siya ka days, but the same route ang yung giadtuan, Singapore, Malaysia, in Cambodia, Thailand, and Vietnam. So guys, mao to ang mga reasons, and planning, it took me a year, and isa ra gyud mao ra gito, research, read a lot of contents, and watch a lot of YouTube videos. Daghan kaayo, ayaw mo pag-focus sa Philippines na mga content. Daghan kaayo content. I forgot the name of the YouTube channel na akong gi-follow, kung giunsa niya, but I will try to search it again, and I will link down below all the information that I got during that trip. So mao to. So that's, oh my god, that's episode 1, and I will be talking more in the episode 2, and the episode 2 will talk about, sige to, huwag ka na sa tasama ko dito. Episode 2 will talk about how I fund my travel, because isa po na sa daghan kay question doon na yun sa maning pag-funding mo ang travel, di ba? Feeling nila is so dato, but not really. How I apply for a leave, because isa po na kay that time ang good is I am a full-time employee and part-time hustler. Karon I am a full-time traveler and a part-time hustler. Nahimo lang kong full-time hustler karon because of the pandemic, but by heart, by mind, I am a full-time traveler. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, and see you in the next episode. And please do watch all my backpacking series, all the episodes for this backpacking series. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye! Stay healthy and safe, everyone. Bye!